Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.3 question number 8. A cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of white cement sold and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Let us solve this problem. Profit by selling 3000 bags of white cement that is equal to rupees. Here you see the profit is rupees 8 per bag, right? In one bag the profit is rupees 8, therefore in 3000 bag the profit is rupees 8 into 3000, that is 3000 into 8, and that comes to rupees 3 8 24,000, 3 24 and 30 1 2 3, right? Now loss by selling 5000 bags of grey cement in one bag the loss is rupees 5, therefore in 5000 bag the loss is rupees 5000 into 5 is rupees 5000 into 5 that comes to rupees 525 and 1000. Here you see the loss is rupees 25,000 and profit is rupees 24,000. Therefore total loss is equal to rupees 25,000 minus 24,000 Therefore there is a loss of rupees 1000. There is the loss of rupees 1000, right? Profit by selling 3000 bags of white cement is 3000 into 8, that is 24,000, and loss by selling 5000 bags of grey cement is 5000 into 5, that is 25,000. Therefore the loss is rupees 25,000 minus 24,000, that is loss of rupees 1000. Now we solve question number B. Question number B is what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of grey bags sold is 6400, right? Now loss by selling 6400 bags of grey cement that is equal to, here you see the loss is rupees 5 per bag, right? Therefore the loss will be rupees 6400 into 5. because in one bag there is a loss of 5 rupees. Therefore, in 6,400 bags there is a loss of 6,400 into 5. Right? That is rupees loss. That is rupees 6400 into 5. 6400 into 5. That is 500. 500. 4 5 22. It is 0. 5 30. 32,000. That comes to 32,000. 32,000. Right? This is the loss. Now let the number of white cement, let the number of white cement bags be capital N. Right? Here you see there is a profit of rupees 8 in one bag. Therefore, in n bag there is a profit of 8n. Profit is 8n. Right? Profit is 8n. Therefore, here you see the profit is equal to loss. That is 32,000 rupees. 32,000. 32,000. Therefore, you can say that n is equal to rupees 32,000 by 8. 8, that is the number. This is not rupees. 32,000 is not rupees, right? Or right, 32, that is n equal to 32. Therefore, it will be 4,000. 4 8 is 32. 4,000. Right? Therefore, the number of white cement bags to be sold is 4,000. So that there is a neither profit nor loss. Right? Therefore, we got the answer, that is 4,000. Right? What is the number of white cement bags? It must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of gray bags sold is 6,400. The answer is the number of white cement bag is 4,000 such that it must sell to have neither profit nor loss if the number of gray bags sold is 6,400 bags. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.